Fitness, style, at syempre, looking fresh. Yan talaga ang priority ko. Kaya excited ako pumasok sa Clear Men Zone. Kasi dito, keep it real, keep it cool, at keep it clear. And no one understands men like Clear. First things first, asan ang libreng pagkain? Yes, please. Ayan, nag-iwan na po ako ng marka dito sa event. Geng-geng sa mga pips ko dyan. Confirmed, hindi ako pang F1. Nagpapanggap na ako na gamer. Sige na, confidence is key. Guys, I see a red button and I wanna press it. Hala, pang basketball pala to. Ang dami ko mang mintis, pero yung hair ko, walang supply. Kalala rin namin ng mga bagong Clear endorsers na si Emilio, Victor, Rene J, and Ref. Fun fact, iba ang scalp ng men. Kaya Clear makes formulas just for us. Men deserve Clear. Smash that like button if you agree. Trying hard sa halos lahat ng zones, pero dala ko pa rin ng confidence. Be you. Yan ang tunay na panalo. Kaya keep it real, keep it cool, keep it clear. Available in stores, online, and nationwide.